wasn't able to finish the walls yesterday, but I got the rest cut today. Some tips for getting your walls square is to reference factory points like holes and the distance between them. On both sides, you can see same holes. Also, this line is the same as this line. What do you need help with?
Is it just me or is this not working?
Push it harder.
I tried everything.
Hold this.
I don't know what's going on. Thanks. I knew you'd fix it.
I can fix everything. Now it's time to cut the benches. In the shop to get a piece of 4x8 Baltic birch. Ow! It landed right on my toe. Twice. So I'm gonna rip this 4x8 down for the two bench aisle facing bench walls. Damn it, I don't even need to describe this. It's like a how-to video. That's not what I want to be. Abby's gonna help me rip a piece. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna take a break from building these benches and head over to the gym. Filming at the gym was actually one of my first dreams I ever had. I used to watch the vloggers on YouTube way back in the day and dream about one day being able to film at the gym. I can't live this life and not try. One of the goals I made for myself at the beginning of this year was to be able to bench 405 by the end of the year. I was on track to do that. I got up to 225 for 20 reps. I ended up moving from San Diego, lost most of my strength, and I'm building back right now. I don't think I can do 225 for 20, but I'm slowly building my way back up. I think I can do it, and I want to document the process. And what's the worst that can happen? I benched 390. That's still pretty cool. Just pulled up to the gym. I'm gonna drink this energy drink, go inside. It's a little nerve-wracking filming in public, but I'm sure everyone feels that in the beginning. And I'm gonna stick to it. I'm gonna stick to my word. I'm gonna film, or else I'd just disappoint myself. So, let's get it. We're gonna start by warming up my shoulders and my chest. Go through some quick exercises to warm up those muscles. Okay, I got 225 up. Again, the most I ever hit for this was 20 reps about 4 months ago. I'm nowhere near that right now, but let's see what I can get. Beginning of every workout, I like to do a compound movement. Today was bench. I tend to go a bit heavy on the compounds, and then I switch it up do some smaller exercises, and that's when I hit my hypertrophy, 8 to 12 reps. I was able to hit 225 for 14 on bench, which I'm not going to complain about. Then I went on to 275 for 3 reps, did 2 sets of those. That was a good workout, quick, it's all you really need. And then on top of that, eating and then staying consistent. I'm just gonna make a tuna sandwich. It's nice having this down here because we can make food and not interrupt work by going all the way up the stairs cooking. This just keeps it easy. Back in the van. Right now we're gonna laminate the benches, these 2 walls. After the first side cures, I'll be able to take the trim router and clean up the edges. You guys saw me lay down wood strips, and that helps when you're alone and you're laying laminate to line up your piece perfectly. If you're not careful and you let it touch, it'll get stuck permanently, and sometimes it's crooked and you'll be left with a useless piece. Both sides are trim routed, and I wouldn't normally take the film off right now, but I did this in the sun, and it says right here, no sun. So I'm gonna take that off. Pretty satisfying moment. A few hours have gone by since the last shot. Finished both sides of the benches. I just set up the supports to be able to make the lids. Over here, I used a piece of plywood, and then this little piece right here, 1 inch, is the support where the top of the bench will sit. On this side of the bench, for the lid support, I wanted this piece to be visually pleasing. So this is a solid piece of 1/2 inch walnut. This edge will be edge banded, so you won't see that either. I'm gonna get that other bench in, then I'm gonna take the measurements for the lids, cut the lids, and test fit them. I was just about to go cut wood, and look what I get. Every night around this time, these guys come and they eat blackberries. Let's test fit this lid, see if it fits. Wish me luck. It's kind of hard to wedge it in here before you cut all the midsections. I can just take the Happijac off. No! Oh, the screw fell into the bottom of the Happijac lift, but I get a magnet and take those out. Perfect. Look at that. Bench is in. Feels good. The reason it wasn't fitting is because I didn't make my central cuts. As you can see, there was no room to wedge this side in because the wall's curved. And when I was up here, this distance is a lot shorter than that distance. But other than that, look at that. And I can sit on it. So now this van really feels like it's coming together. I'm really getting excited about this one. Behind me here are the bump outs. I have to fabric those. I will be sleeping sideways in this bed. It's shorter than any bed lift system I've ever made. So it'll be interesting to sleep sideways. I've never had these bump outs. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be posting on this channel more often, documenting. I have 2 DJI mics coming in the mail, so I will be mic'd up for these videos. The last two have been iPhone audio. Thank you guys for watching.